Okay, family, I came out here. I was headed to my chickens, but I got detoured because, excuse the noise behind me, the air just kicked on. Because that little covering, the one that's low, was off that plant and off to the side over there. How it got over there, I don't know. We haven't had enough wind to pull it over there. So I'm thinking an animal must have pulled it. But my main focus was coming out here and giving you guys a video. This is a jujube tree that I bought maybe 2 years ago. And I bought a pair. This is one. And that little tree over there, you could barely see it right here, is the other. But what I'm excited about is I noticed a couple of weeks ago that this one was blooming and flourishing and that it had fruit. So albeit they're not big, and I'm being careful because if you never heard of this tree and you don't know, it has little spikes. But this is the fruit. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be much bigger, and they call this like a Chinese apple. It's supposed to be much bigger, but because the tree is new, they're small. So that's the two, and they're these are a little firm, but I had picked a few more off before I started my camera. And these are the ones, right? Some of them have a little softer texture, and they say and it feels like something reminiscent of a dried apple as an apple is drying out. So I'm excited about that because again, I've had this for 2 years. And I have a few more. I don't know if you can see those green ones there. They're part of the fruit. So I'm sure just like everybody else in their garden, they're trying to play catch up, deal with harvest, pull fruit off or vegetables before they go bad. And I am no different. This is my fruit orchard section. I got some cleaning up to come and do. I still have mulch from last December, albeit a small pile. I need to go ahead and spread out. And I have that netting over an elderberry tree. But I just wanted to give you guys an update of my jujube tree. If you don't know what it is, look it up. And I got one because I thought it would be an interesting fruit to have. So I'm excited about seeing fruit. And as you guys know, most of these fruit trees take a couple of years to produce fruit. So even if you get a small one, it's such excitement. Thank you guys for watching and sharing in my excitement with my jujube fruit. Keep gardening and let's get ready for fall gardening. Have a good one.